What's next?
It's interesting to see. I really do think multiple clouds is becoming increasingly important here. I mean, the GPU one is one thing here, but more and more we're having specialization of clouds. You have niche cloud providers coming out, you have privacy regulations coming up in Europe. You need to be spread across multiple different locations, and the orchestration of multiple clouds can't happen without a platform on top of that. And so I think that's a real tailwind there alongside AI. The whole AI world is very interesting. I think the generative infrastructure is kind of one idea that people are very scared of right now. I think it's kind of funny. I think we're kind of already doing it. I mean, we have Copilot and we have infrastructure as code. We already have lots of Terraform being generated by AI. It's already kind of happening out there, and I feel like people aren't quite seeing it that way, which is a bit surprising.
I just read on Stack Overflow they banned ChatGPT. That's news.
I didn't see that.
They don't want any code pollution out there. So how do you deal with the good code versus the bad code? I mean, aren't you worried that some bad code is going to come in?
I think the evaluation loop is important. Right now it's a lot of humans, but I think as we get more and more ecosystem built up around AI tooling, we're going to have automated ways of testing these things. I don't know if you've seen any of the AutoGPT examples where you write some code, you run the code, it breaks, you pass the error back into the AI, and it just iterates until it succeeds. I imagine you guys are thinking about this a lot with like your testing. You have the evaluation loop already in place.
Yeah, by the way, we were the first enterprise sponsor of AutoGPT, so I'm a big fan of the project, and we are also planning to contribute there, right? So, yes, so absolutely. And as I said, so in fact, the same iterative approach which is using for coding will also help them with the testing aspect there.